Oh, that would sound this real though. Oh, that's gonna sound good. These guides, man, are small. Holy moly. All right, I am. I could just. I'm gonna ask them first. This is ridiculous. Oh, you know what I didn't buy? I didn't get any of their, what you call? I didn't buy any of their shoot, their beads.
No, it's
Where does? Oh no! Did I buy the wrong fucking hook? I bought the wrong hook.
oh,
I bought the wrong hook. Okay, I don't know if you guys can. Look, it is. There's no hole. What the? I hope I can toss this, but okay, let's try. Yeah, change of plans. We're going with a lure. Okay, so since this is mono to mono, I'm going to do an Albright knot. I honestly don't know how well this is going to throw through my guides, but you never know. Oh boy, this is a whole new learning experience once again. And the lure, I'll just tie a uni knot. Okay. Alright guys, so I guess the plan is the family is gonna kayak to this place where I'm about to fish. This is not the original place I was thinking of fishing, but this is a lot different than what I'm used to fishing. I'm literally fishing in a river. So I went ahead and walked, and I'm gonna meet them at the spot. I could have kayaked with them, but I'm not fully prepared to kayak. So yeah, we shall see. My brother-in-law was nice enough to let me his tackle box, so this is a whole new experience, to be honest. And all the locals were like looking at me. I went into the Arabaitan, the local shop here, to pick up some food because I didn't eat breakfast yet. So yeah, but how far do I have to walk, man? I'm still sketched out because at any given moment I could come across a habu, which is one of the poisonous snakes here in Okinawa. So, but other than that, I am golden. What are all these holes? Is that where the habu is? Oh man. And I'm running out of battery, so I'm gonna save my battery and I'll check in with you guys once I get to the spot, which is right up ahead, it looks like, hopefully. So yeah, let's see. Okay, alright guys, I see a trumpet fish or stick fish of some sort, so I'm going to see if I can catch that. The problem is landing it. I'm on light tackle. That thing looks I guess it's gonna give me a scrap. So if I catch it, I don't know how I'm gonna land it, but we shall see. Hopefully I don't lose this lure. It's not my lure, so let's see. What do you see, guys, here? Okay. Okay guys, I just saw fish. I want to be down there, but I'm gonna catch some up here. All right, so my take so far, from my understanding, this is more of like sight fishing. You spot the fish and then you know, you're targeting the fish basically. Right now the tide should be changing, so they say like I'd see a lot more fish. I'm seeing fish, but not like, it's totally different. Another thing I figure I could do is, I'm watching the flow of the current, or whatever you want to call it, and basically I could just let my lure down the river and then retrieve it back. So I don't know which is easier. I'd cover more ground letting it go down the river, but that's kind of like blind fishing. And so far I think I've seen 2 fish that was interested in my lure, but I honestly don't know. Oh, here's another stickfish. Yo, morning guys. So today I'm back out here, gonna try fish this bridge again. light tackle. Yeah, I didn't even show you guys my stuff, but got a small Sabito reel. It's like a 2,000, no, 2 or 3,000. Oh, wrong, 1,000. And the pole is a Legesta. I hope you guys can hear me because it's windy. But so yeah, it's a 7-foot medium light action, 2 to 6 pounds for line rating, and yeah, so more like light. So it's like a light setup, but all I basically got is a jig head on and a little grub. I didn't think I was going to be fishing this trip, so I didn't bring any of my Knox lures or anything. So we'll see. But yeah, it's freaking windy. I hope you guys can hear me, but yeah, since it's windy, the tide is actually dropping, so I'm gonna stay upwind and try to cast with the wind, so that way I don't struggle too much. Hopefully, that's a plan. We'll see how that goes. So yeah. Alright guys, I have a theory. Small, tiny jig. And yeah, see if see if I'm hoping this little jig cuts through this wind and lets me cast a little farther. And I'm just gonna jig it, basically like jig a couple times, then drop, jig a couple times. I'm pretty sure Papio would chase this, but we'll see. Swapped out to this. I was getting the casting distance with the jig, but definitely not getting the action I was thinking I was going to get from the jig. So try this little lure. try before I come back this afternoon, maybe. Yes. Oh. Yeah. Got him. Oh, that's nice. First one, and I'm only 15 minutes in. Nice, check that out. So I think I'm gonna keep this one. Actually, it is pretty small. I'm gonna let this one go. Yeah, I'm gonna let. I don't think there's a regulation here, but I'm gonna let this one go. Yeah. I'll keep the next one. Alright guys, so that wraps up my morning session. I fished for about an hour, and I think the jig with a small jig with a grub is the way to go, because I fished a little bit with the lure and you know, deep water jigs. I don't know why you did that, but yeah, I got all my chases on small jig with a small grub. Then again, I fished a dropping tide, so I'll be back this afternoon, hopefully. The wind is nuts and it's pretty chilly, but that was a good session. I got several chases. I got one. I don't think there's a size limit here, because I went to this, I was in the store earlier, and like they had like half-pound uhus for like $4, so I don't know. But yeah, I am pretty excited for the afternoon session. I think I could do better for sure, but it was a good session. Loved it. Anyway, I'm gonna go home, eat, and then try come back out this afternoon. See ya then. Alright guys, so I am back. I hope you guys can hear me. It's still windy. It's the afternoon, a little past 4. I'm gonna try for some of those papillos again. I showed the father-in-law that I caught a small papillo and released it, and he gave me that look like, oh, I should have kept it. So he said pan fry, can pan fry. So, and apparently it's legal. It's yeah. So I don't know. If so long as it's bigger than my hand, I guess I'm gonna keep it. If I'm fortunate enough to catch at least another pupil. We'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with a lure I bought at the Daiso shop. It's a sinking stick bait, very small, like 10 gram. So do a couple casts with it, and then if not, I'll go back to a jig head with a grub. But they have this spoon. I want to use this spoon because spoons are like my go-to, but I don't have my split ring pliers to put the trebles on, so yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do that. But anyway, enough talking. I'm gonna set this down and then start fishing. So hopefully I get lucky and I can catch at least one more pupil. We'll see. Alright, let's get it. Yo, how's it guys? So once again I am late. It is about 7:30. The highest tide was at 6:50. And yeah, and then I spent another 15 minutes changing out the battery on this camera because I guess I forgot to charge the battery. So yeah, it's a lot less windier today. So I should be able to cast a little bit farther, but anyway, for now I'm just gonna start fishing because I'm already late. And yeah, I'm only gonna fish about an hour, I think, since I did miss that window for the high tide. So we'll see. Hopefully, and if I do catch another pupil, there's no size limit basically. I confirmed this with all the locals here last night. We had a little party, and yeah, you can keep the small ones. It's up to, they leave it up to the fishermen. So but yeah, father-in-law says he wants to eat pan-fried fish. So if it's big enough, I don't know if it's big enough, but I don't know, I'll keep it. But it's hard for me to keep a small fish, so we'll see. This little guy. so now I have switched to floater and bait. So see how this goes. Alright, so now my problem is I can't cast my float too far because this bait is really soft, so it just flies off every time. So I kind of didn't want to do this, but I think my best option is to go on the bridge and just drop it from the top, and hopefully I can catch something. So because I can't cast it into the channel, because if I cast, I need to put some power behind it, and every time I do that the bait just comes flying off. So I am going to have to just drop it from the top, and hopefully I can pull up whatever fish I catch up the bridge. That's the plan. So, move house. Barracuda, alright. That's what's Barracuda. Alright, so the next couple clips are gonna be from my phone. My camera's actually died shortly after that last clip, and just about the time I started catching fish. So yeah, but I did it. I finally caught dinner in Okinawa. Tama. Hanap. Let's go one more time. Right there. Come on. Bite up, bite up, bite up. Come on. Bite down, apa. Bite down, ima. Bite on. Bite on. Bite the bugo. beautiful fish stabbed the crap out of my hand. Dinner. What was the name of this one?
あ、なんだっけ、ことひき。
ことひき。
方言でクワガナっていう。
そう、お塩だけで煮たんだけど、食べてみて。
Oh,
美味しい
really good.
Boiled only with the salt.
Oh yeah?
これ、マスに。
マスに。
おいしい。
うまい。
I have almost like a crab taste. All right, so that's the video, guys. Let me know what you guys thought. What was your most favorite part about the video, and yeah, what do you think about the fact that they don't have, or to my knowledge, they don't have fish limits and all that? You know, like I could have definitely taken home that little papillo, like that was the size of my phone, you know. So that I found that very interesting. But yeah, for those of you that has been following me for quite a while now, you know, I've been going to Okinawa for the past couple years, and I've always tried to fish. I actually did not have the intention of fishing this time. That's why I didn't have all my my mounts. I left my head mount and a chest mount at home. I left my Nox lures at home. I just happened to brought some of my venture gear, like the leggings, the waterproof hat. I just bought I brought those, but as far as actual fishing gear, I didn't bring. And so when my wife suggested that we stop by the fishing shop, I was like, you know, I was kind of shocked. I was like, for what? Like, I don't plan on fishing. But then I'm glad she did, because then I bought my very own setup from Japan, and I left it there to, you know, so that next time I go back, I have my own gear. I don't know about you guys, I just like using my own gear. I'm clumsy and forgetful, and I am notorious for wrecking gear. Oh yeah, speaking of venture, bros, they got a ton of drops. I feel like they drop things, like new things every week. But right now when I'm recording this, they have a bunch of dry fits out. I think they got two different Fort Eskrima shirts, one with the uku, one with the ulua. They have I think they have the Kraken dry fit hoodie that's out available still. I noticed they had the Omilu wetsuit in the new material and all these things. And I if I could, I would just buy everything they drop, because that's literally, like, I love like I'm not exaggerating. I love Venture Wetsuits products. I mean, I have the leggings, I have the mug, and I didn't get those for free. I bought those. Okay, so just to clarify, I bought those. And if you guys do purchase any Venture gear, go ahead and use my discount code. It's ToonLife. It'll save you 10% off of your purchase. Yes, I got an upgrade. I got a nice upgrade. So yeah, it'll save you 10% off of your entire purchase. So yeah, once again, discount code is 10 ToonLife. And also, another update to my channel. I know I haven't been posting a lot, and honestly guys, I was about to I have on my desktop or laptop, I have 13 videos I was going to work on for you guys. That's from Japan. You know, like, it's food related. It's not fishing or spearfishing or hunting related. And so I've decided, since my channel is prominently spearfishing, but also fishing and a little bit of hunting, that I'm not a food channel. I'm not one of, I'm not Mike Chen or anything. So I will save those videos or content for, I'm planning on starting something. Stay tuned. I'm working on something, and hopefully I can get that to you guys soon. And also, what I really wanted to tell you guys was I have finally enabled super chats and super stickers. So what that means is anytime I drop a live stream or a premiere, I drop a video that's a premiere, you could donate to my channel in the form of super chats. That's totally up to you guys if you want to support the channel. But if you do donate something, I just wanted to let you guys know I really, really appreciate it. I do. Like, you guys do not know how much that means to me. And I'm not trying to be cliche or anything. Like, that's 100%. Thank you guys if you do donate. And thank you all guys always for watching, watching my videos. It really means a lot. And I met a lot of you guys, actually. Weirdly enough. A lot of you guys recently have been coming to Lanai and running into me at my regular job. So it was, sorry if I look socially awkward, but sorry, that's just me. I don't know. I can't explain myself. That's just me. Anyway, I'm out. I promise I got 5 more dive videos coming right after this video. Not right after, but so yeah, stay tuned. I just have to edit it, find time to edit, and then drop them. I'm going to try to do it every week, but no, please don't hold me to that because I don't know if it's gonna be every week. Anyway, much love, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're not already, and leave a like, comment, all that awesome stuff. You guys know. And I will see you in the next one. Shoots, guys.